Hola y muy buenas tardes a todos mis estudiantes. I wanted to do this screencast for you just so as you are getting started with your new course with National University Virtual High School, you know how to navigate everything, how to submit your assignments, and hopefully answer any big questions you have as you are getting started. So I'm going to select here Spanish 3A. You might also be in 3B, that's okay. For the most part, these courses are set up the same. So the first thing is you want to look under School and Course Info, and you'll find the syllabus here, and the syllabus will tell you which text you need to purchase. So for Spanish 3A and 3B, there are texts that are purchased. But when you are just getting started, we do know that you probably do not have the textbooks yet. So you are going to go to Course Resources. Okay. A lot of helpful things here, so you can print these calendars to track your activity days. This is super important because in order for you to get credit for the course, you need to log 7 days of activity for each 2 units, and that will total up to a minimum of 28. Okay. And then also here you'll find the first units in PDF form of your textbook, Realidades, and also Leyendas Mexicanas. Now remember, these do need to be purchased, but you have these first 2 units available to you, so you have time. And so what you'll do is when you open this, you will see the pages directly from the textbook. You can type your answers into a Word document, or you can also handwrite your answers and scan them as a PDF. Blackboard will accept either. Some of your activities will be audio, and so here, audio practice from Realidades 3 will take you to the textbook website, and that is where you can hear the audio for those activities. Okay. Now, when you want to submit an activity, I'm going to click here, Units 1 and 2. These will be available as long as you have submitted your grade eligibility agreement. Okay. So I'm going to click here, for example, Unit 1. And I have here Unit 1 assignment. Okay. I can read it from here. And when I'm ready to submit it, I'm just going to click here. And if I scroll down, I have the option to browse my computer. Now, one reminder, do not hit Write Submission because it doesn't allow me to type feedback onto your homework, and that's really important. So you will browse your computer and then make sure and hit Submit. If you hit Save Draft, you will be able to see it, but I will not. So I cannot grade anything until you have hit Submit. Okay? If I go back to Units 1 and 2, and I go back to Unit 1, I will see that all of the assignments are there as well. So that was my textbook assignment. Here's my discussion board. Don't forget, for full credit, you need to write 5 sentences for your original post and respond to 2 classmates. And then you have your verbal chats assignment. You have 2 choices here. You can absolutely send me a message if you would like to do your chat live, and that's done through Blackboard Collaborate. I will show you that in 1 second. And then we have the Unit 1 quiz. So my advice is, if you are working and you have enough time, submit your homework a couple days before the quiz so I can give you feedback and we can make sure you do your best on the quiz. Okay, finally, 2 more things I want to show you. So if we do end up doing a live chat, if that's what you prefer, then you're going to look here on the left and you will have a link that says My Tools, and then from there you will see Blackboard Collaborate. And one final reminder, if you need to get in touch with me, the best place is here, My Messages. So this allows us to have a record of our communication within the course. Okay. So I hope this is helpful just for you to know how to get started, how to submit everything, and how to navigate your course. Of course, check your gradebook regularly. just to make sure everything that you think you have submitted has been graded. Most of your items will be graded within 24 hours, but tops 48 hours, okay? Any other questions? Feel free to reach out by course messages.